Thyrotoxic periodic paralysis and its management, a case report. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thyrotoxic periodic paralysis, TPP, is characterized by the abrupt onset of hypokalemia and paralysis. This condition primarily affects the lower extremities but may affect both upper and lower extremities and is secondary to thyrotoxicosis. It is most commonly seen in Asian men, and it has been increasingly reported in the USA due to the rise in the immigrant population. Hypokalemia in TPP results from an intracellular shift of potassium induced by the thyroid hormone sensitization of Na plus K plus ATPase rather than depletion of total body potassium. In this case report, a 31-year-old Hispanic male arrived at the emergency room by emergency medical service with complaints of lower and upper extremities weakness. The patient was diagnosed with TPP due to the patient's past medical history and latest symptoms. There are other differential diagnoses that could present with extremity paralysis, such as Guillain-Barré syndrome, meningitis, stroke, medication side effects, or even malignancy. But TPP is one of the diagnoses often missed due to its low occurrence and also because of unawareness about this disorder. Therefore, increased awareness among physicians regarding this condition would also result in early diagnosis, appropriate management, and prevention of thyrotoxic periodic paralysis. Introduction. Thyrotoxic periodic paralysis, TPP, is a rare but serious medical condition that causes sudden muscle weakness or even paralysis due to very low levels of potassium in the blood. It happens in people with an overactive thyroid, thyrotoxicosis, even if they don't know they have it. The weakness usually starts suddenly, often in the legs, but can affect the arms too. Episodes can last from a few hours to several days and may come and go. Although it can be life-threatening because of the risk of heart rhythm problems, it is often not recognized right away. TPP is most common in Asian men but has been increasingly seen in other ethnic groups around the world, including in the United States. It's important to tell TPP apart from other serious nerve and muscle conditions, especially because breathing muscles are usually not affected in TPP, unlike in some other disorders. The low potassium in TPP is caused by a shift of potassium into cells, not from losing it. Treatment includes managing the overactive thyroid, carefully replacing potassium, and using certain medications to stop further potassium shifts. With proper treatment, TPP can be completely cured. Early diagnosis is key to preventing serious complications. Conclusion. There are other differential diagnoses that could present with extremity paralysis, such as Guillain-Barré syndrome, meningitis, stroke, medication side effects, or even malignancy. But TPP is one of the diagnoses often missed due to its low occurrence and also because of unawareness about this disorder. The combination of paralysis with hypokalemia in a patient with hypothyroidism should prompt any physician to consider the possibility of this disease. The prompt diagnosis of this condition will help to avoid expensive laboratory studies, imaging studies, and invasive procedures. It will also help to soon provide the patient with the appropriate treatment, such as judicious potassium replacement in addition to propranolol, to correct the hypokalemia, thus improving the extremities' weakness. Increased awareness among physicians regarding this condition will also result in early diagnosis, appropriate management, and prevention of thyrotoxic periodic paralysis. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.